then kitchen. I am originally from Wheaton-Warrenville South High School. I am about to graduate in hospitality and tourism management at Purdue University. Down there, I do catered events for the president of the university. I work with Chef Andre Goulet, who was originally from Kendall College, Culinary Alum. So he's given me quite a bit of opportunity to continue cooking while I'm in the management school. Now I will be graduating in May, and I'm moving on with 4-Star Restaurant Group in Chicago. So the experience that I gained here at TCD genuinely helped me once I went to Purdue, especially because a lot of the people going there did not have restaurant experience or culinary experience. So going in there with a solid knowledge of the industry, a bit of hospitality knowledge as well, it helped me excel to the top of my class at Purdue, so I'll be graduating with about a 3.85 GPA and moving on to work full-time. Got 3 internships, plenty of scholarships from National Restaurant Association. My grades from here helped me get scholarships from Purdue as well. So I'm graduating debt-free, and I've got a solid job lined up.